This video is an up-close look at Vajrasana, the Thunderbolt Pose. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go over Thunderbolt Pose and a couple variations of the pose. To begin, one of the props that you may need is a block. So you might want to keep that handy, just depending on how easy it is for you to get your hips by your heels. And we can just start by coming onto our knees. And you want to try to have your big toes pretty close together, your heels right under your hips, and just rest the hands on the legs. Open up the chest, sit up tall, engage the pelvic floor muscles. And this pose is good for helping with circulation. It's good for helping strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. It's good for getting the prana to flow through your body effectively. And it's also really relaxing for more difficult yoga poses. If it is hard for you to get your hips on your heels, you can always use props. Props are amazing. So perhaps you want to take the block and slide it underneath your hips. You can also have it straight up and down. Again, just resting your hands on your legs, opening up the chest. And another variation that we can do is to cross the feet, being mindful of where our knees are. We still want our knees to be equal distance apart, but just working on crossing the balls of the feet and the arches of the feet. So this is a way that you can cross your feet, and if you choose to do it like this, make sure that you uncross them and then cross them the opposite direction for an equal amount of time. Some other things that Vajrasana is good for is increasing circulation in the abdomen. It can help relieve sciatica. It can also help to aid in digestion. So if you have any problems with digestion, then this is a good one for you. So just really open up the chest, trying to not put all of your weight on your heels when you do this. Try to engage the pelvic floor muscles and maybe lift up a little bit, keeping the chest open, sliding the shoulder blades down the back. And just breathe. Breathe for a few moments. Another variation is to bring your hands in front of you, point the fingertips back towards you, and just allow your wrists to open up. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share. You can also click the little gear notification button to be notified of any future videos. Until next time, my friends, may love and light be yours. Namaste.